It's amazing how quickly the sheer inconvenience of work comes back to me.
Oh, you got dog hairs all over your car. I don't know whether to ring the bell or just stand there, panting.
What is it?
Jewellery.
Oh. It's in the drawer in the dressing table.
I've phoned the station, Richard, and the train from Rugby arrives at 11:38.
Why Rugby?
Because that's where the Commodore lives.
Funny place for a sailor.
I shouldn't be surprised, Richard, if after this we don't end up as permanent friends.
We don't have to be friends, we're married.
I don't mean us, dear. I mean the Commodore and ourselves.
Oh.
Oh, what a coup for one of my candlelight suppers. Oh! I'd better answer that, dear. It may be someone important. The Bouquet residence, the lady of the house speaking. It's the chairlady from Our Ladies' Luncheon Club.
Yeah.
The Commodore? Oh, yes, everything's shipshape. What do I know about sailors? Well, they travel about on ships, dance the hornpipe, tie knots in things. Well, yes, I know that sailors have a certain reputation when it comes to ladies, yes. Oh, thank you for warning me. If I need advice, I know a person called Rose, who I'm sure is a fount of information. Goodbye. She was phoning me to warn me about the Commodore. Apparently he likes the ladies.
Funny way to show it, spending your life at sea.
They obviously see me as someone who might easily turn the head of a romantic sailor. Come along, Richard, dear. Don't just sit there. We mustn't be late for the Commodore.
If they send a photographer, it'll be to the luncheon, not the station.
Well, I think that shows a singular lack of initiative. Don't they realise that the Commodore could be swamped by eager ladies?
I'll park the car.
Oh, park it here, dear.
No, I can't. This is just for unloading.
Oh, that doesn't apply to celebrities.
Then I'll have to stay with the car.
I shall go and tell the station master that we're here to meet a VIP. Come along. Come on, dear. Richard, look.
Look at what?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. This can't be the platform.
Look, this is the platform, Hyacinth. I checked the indicator board as we passed.
Then where's the red carpet?
Why would there be a red carpet?
For a man who sails single-handed round something, there ought to be a red carpet.